Cześć, Paweł here. Postmo Lights in a few words. The parts are designed with historical respect. Do you see the plates? They reference the 964 turn signals and side markers. The section around the lights looks familiar too, right? Cultural identity. Owning and customizing a classic car is a part of a cultural identity and a form of self-expression. Postmodernism influence. We've broken traditional norms to create something that is both functional and artistic. Technology. We combine postmodern shapes with new technologies. The parts are 3D printed locally. We use high-quality Polish LED technology, craftsmanship and exclusivity. Postmos are handcrafted and limited edition items. Details. Details matter. Details are everything. Function. Turn signals and fog lights at the same time. Performance. Postmos are super lightweight. Aesthetic values. No installation holes or bolts are visible. User experience. They fit perfectly. Plug and play. The installation is super easy and reversible in case you want to come back to the original solution. They fit perfectly using factory holes. No need to drill any holes or find a way to connect the wires. Responsibility. The Postmos are certified and street legal. Conclusion. And lastly, look at this bad boy now.